We don't want to waste another weekend staying home. So we have started our journey to the second largest valley in Asia. Having such a wonderful start, it's making me feel this trip is going to be epic. Next up, we will visit a place called Rande Waterfall. So we have reached Arthur Lake, where we are camping tonight, party hard and have some real fun.
This world of fire.
This is the second day of the trip. We are leaving this beautiful place, carrying some unforgettable memories with us. Before reaching the Sandhan Valley, we will visit Amruteshwar Shiva temple. I have no words to describe this work of art, built before 1200 years. Finally, we got to our main destination, where the mountain splits in half and forms a 2 kilometers long crack in the ground. I am walking between 300 feet high walls of rock. It's such an out of the world experience. Now I know why it's called the Valley of Shadows. Now it's time you experience the nature in deep.
You
If you had a feeling of actually being here through this video, make sure you subscribe to Liveit Winit and share this video with all the people you wanna give this experience.